Today I will give you a review about this game. Country Trump Cards by Coco. It is a great game for 5 to 12 years old. It is a great way to learn different country. It is a pack of 50 cards of different country. Let's open it. The quality of the box is good. The quality of the card are good. Italy. We can see country name. Italy. And capital Rome. Happiness ranking is 47. Population ranking is 23. Area ranking is 72. We can see country name Japan and capital name Tokyo. Happiness ranking is 54. Population ranking is 10 and area ranking is 62. How to play this card? First, we will shuffle it. Then we will distribute into 2 players. Indonesia. Country Jakarta, capital. Happiness ranking 96. Kenya, Nairobi. Happiness ranking is 124. So, Indonesia will take Kenya. So, player 1 will win. Next, Thailand, Bangkok. Happiness ranking is 46. France. Country. Capital Paris. Happiness ranking is 23. So, France will take Thailand. So, player 2 will win. If you don't want to play the game, then learn the country and capital name. Hope you like the game. If you have not subscribed my channel, please hit the bell icon. Thank you.